Here is an exciting demonstration to identify acid and base. I'm going to show you. I have taken here a natural indicator, commonly that we use as turmeric. This is turmeric that we commonly use in our daily basis as a spice. To detect here, we have 10 substances that we are going to detect are acid or bases. So here we have lemon juice as well as soda, vinegar and so on. So let us first start by demonstrating each of them and checking whether they are acid or base. So let us first start with the property of turmeric, that is an acid. It doesn't change its color and it becomes yellow. It remains yellow. And for the base, it becomes red in color. So let's check it for toothpaste first. So I am just adding it. So here we can just see that within 1 or 2 seconds we can see that the color is getting reddish. So why is it this so? Because toothpaste is a base. Secondly, now we are going to pour this turmeric solution in the lime water, and we very well know it stands for calcium hydroxide, and we know the formula as well, CaOH whole twice. So we are going to add this. Again you can see immediately the color changes to red. Then we will go to the third one. This is the tamarind paste, and here we are just again pouring this turmeric solution in this. As you can see, even after 2 or 3 seconds, there is no change. That indicates that it has acid. And do you know which acid is there? It is tartaric acid present in it. After that, we will move on to the soap solution that we commonly use in our day-to-day life. So again, we will add this. See, again the color changes to red immediately. So as we can see, the color is red. So again it is base. After that, soap water is nothing but the sodium salt of fatty acid. After that, we will move to curd that we use. So let us check for curd also. So curd again is not showing any change. That means that it contains acid and it contains lactic acid. Now we will move to lemon water. So lemon water is there, and we will just add this solution into it. Again we can see there is no change in it. Adding the turmeric solution into it, as we can see, there is no change. There is just a yellow color that remains. That means that turmeric remains in the same color. That again indicates it contains acid, and the acid is none other than acetic acid. Vinegar we commonly use as preservative. After that, we will move to soda. So we will move to soda solution. Yeah, this is soda solution, and it is NaHCO3. Yeah, and now again I'll just add some water to it, so that it becomes a little weight. Yeah, so now I am just pouring it. Again just see, just immediately the color becomes red, and it is indicating that it has a base, and its formula is sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. After that we have citric acid here. So citric acid again we are using it in our day-to-day life. Again I am adding it. As we can see, there is no changes. Yellow color same as to the color of haldi, that indicates that it is an acid. And citric acid, as we have already seen citric acid in lemon water also. Then this is ENO. So for ENO, as I just will add some water to it, as you can see the effervescence. Now again I am just adding here some of turmeric solution, and again you can see the red color appearance. So it indicates, and why it is showing a red color appearance, because we use it commonly as anti-acid, that neutralizes the effect of acid. That means none other than it is just a base. So here we can see again let us classify each of them as base or acid. First one is base, that is a toothpaste. Second we have calcium hydroxide. This is again a base. This is an acid, tartaric acid. Then we have the soap solution, that is again a base. Then lactic acid or the curd, that is again an acid which contains lactic acid. Then we have lemon juice that contains citric acid. Again we can see no change of color. That means it is again an acid. Then we have vinegar solution. Again no change of color. It has acetic acid and it is also an acid. Then we have the soda solution, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Again we can see the reddish appearance. It indicates that it is a base. Then we have again the citric acid, which is already an acid, so we can see no change of color. After that we have ENO solution, that is continuously we can see the change of color in it.